Auto Trends, welcome to the future of luxury, performance and cutting-edge innovation, because today we are diving deep into the new 2026 BMW 7 Series, a car that doesn't just raise the bar, it completely redefines what a flagship luxury sedan should be. This is not just a refresh, not just another yearly update, this is a bold statement from BMW that the era of intelligent luxury has officially arrived. From the very first glance, the 2026 BMW 7 Series commands attention in a way that few cars on the road can. The front fascia is unapologetically bold, featuring BMW's signature kidney grille, now larger, more illuminated and more expressive than ever before. It's not just a design element anymore, it's a symbol of presence. Flanked by ultra-slim adaptive LED headlights and optional crystal lighting elements, the front end looks futuristic, almost concept car-like, yet it's fully road-ready. The body lines are sleek yet muscular, giving the 7 Series a perfect balance between elegance and dominance. Every curve has been sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency, but also to reflect prestige. The long wheelbase enhances rear passenger comfort, while the flush door handles and refined detailing emphasize modern sophistication. This is a car designed to turn heads whether it's parked outside a luxury hotel or cruising silently through city streets. Step inside, and the 2026 BMW 7 Series feels less like a car and more like a private lounge on wheels. BMW has taken interior craftsmanship to an entirely new level. Premium materials such as merino leather, sustainable wood trims and brushed metal accents create an environment that feels both luxurious and forward-thinking. The ambient lighting system is customizable in ways never seen before, wrapping the cabin in a soft, immersive glow that adapts to your mood. But what truly sets this interior apart is technology. The BMW curved display dominates the dashboard, combining a massive digital instrument cluster with an ultra-responsive infotainment screen. Powered by the latest iDrive system, everything is faster, smarter, and more intuitive. Voice commands feel natural, gestures are more precise, and the system learns your habits over time, making every interaction seamless. Now let's talk about the rear seats, because this is where the 7 Series truly becomes extraordinary. BMW has introduced a next-generation theater screen that folds down from the roof, transforming the rear cabin into a cinematic experience. With a massive 31-inch 8K display, built-in streaming apps and premium surround sound, passengers can enjoy movies, shows or even gaming like never before in a car. Combine that with reclining seat, massage functions and individual climate controls, and you have an experience that rivals first-class airline cabins. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW 7 Series offers a range of powertrains designed to satisfy every type of driver. From refined inline-6 engines to powerful V8 options, and even fully electric variants under the i7 lineup, BMW ensures that performance meets efficiency in perfect harmony. The hybrid systems have been improved significantly, offering better fuel economy without sacrificing power. For those who crave pure electric performance, the BMW i7 variant stands out as a true game-changer. With instant torque, whisper-quiet acceleration, and an impressive driving range, it proves that luxury and sustainability can coexist without compromise. Charging is faster than ever, and BMW's intelligent energy management system ensures maximum efficiency on every journey. Driving the 2026 7 Series is an experience that blends comfort with precision. The adaptive air suspension smooths out every bump, while the advanced steering system provides remarkable control. Rear-wheel steering makes the large sedan surprisingly agile, especially in tight urban environments. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city traffic, the 7 Series feels composed, confident, and incredibly refined. Safety and driver assistance technologies have also taken a massive leap forward. The car is equipped with the latest generation of BMW's Driving Assistant Professional package, which includes advanced lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and even hands-free driving capabilities in certain conditions. The system uses a combination of cameras, radar, and AI to ensure maximum safety and convenience. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 BMW 7 Series is its focus on personalization. BMW understands that luxury is not one-size-fits-all, so they've introduced a wide range of customization options. From unique interior themes to advanced digital profiles that store your preferences, every detail can be tailored to your liking. The car even recognizes different drivers and adjusts settings automatically. Another standout feature is the integration of smart connectivity. The 7 Series seamlessly connects with your smartphone, smart home devices, and even your calendar. Imagine your car preparing itself based on your daily schedule, adjusting temperature, navigation routes, and even seat positions before you even step inside. This is not just a car, it's a fully connected ecosystem designed to make your life easier. Sound design in the 2026 7 Series is another area where BMW has gone above and beyond. The premium audio system delivers crystal clear sound, while the optional collaboration with renowned composers creates unique driving sounds for electric models. It's an experience that engages not just your senses but your emotions. In terms of build quality, BMW has paid attention to every tiny detail. The doors close with a satisfying soft motion, the buttons feel precise, and every surface you touch exudes quality. It's clear that this car has been engineered with a level of care that goes far beyond expectations. Let's not ignore the presence factor. Owning a 7 Series has always been about making a statement, and the 2026 model takes that to a whole new level. It's not just about wealth or status anymore, it's about embracing innovation, sustainability, and forward-thinking design. This is a car for those who want to lead, not follow. The competition in this segment is fierce, with rivals like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and Audi A8 pushing the boundaries of luxury. But BMW has carved out its own identity with the 7 Series. It's more dynamic, more tech-focused, and arguably more daring in its design philosophy. While others play it safe, BMW takes risks, and in this case, those risks pay off beautifully. As we look toward the future, the 2026 BMW 7 Series represents more than just a new model. It represents a shift in how we define luxury mobility. It's about blending performance with responsibility, technology with comfort, and innovation with tradition. BMW has managed to create a car that feels both futuristic and timeless at the same time. And that's what makes this world premiere so exciting. It's not just about what the car is today, but what it represents for tomorrow. The 7 Series is no longer just a flagship sedan, it's a platform for innovation, a showcase of what's possible when engineering meets imagination. So whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in life, the new 2026 BMW 7 Series delivers on every front. It's bold, it's intelligent, and it's undeniably luxurious. This is not just the next chapter in BMW's story, it's the beginning of a whole new era.